Hi, and welcome to day 5 of the Reclaim Your Calm Challenge. And I am so proud of you for coming up every day and working with me, understanding what stress is and figuring things out. And just to summarize what we talked about, hey kitty, we talked about what stress is, eustress and distress. We talked about how the body is so important in understanding how we are feeling, right? And I talked about meditation. I gave you different kind of different meditations that I use on Insight Timer. Next day I talk about other different techniques to use to calm the body down that are not always centered in meditation, but maybe breathing and kind of looking at yourself and looking at what is around. So important. A wheel of awareness meditation, if you remember that. Next day I kind of gave you more techniques, more breathing techniques, the 4, 7, 8 breathing technique, kind of just dropping your shoulders down, all really important. And check out the playlist with all the stuff that we talked about if you need to review it. And lastly, I talked about what if life throws a curveball at you, because we never know what's going to happen in this world. There could be an earthquake, there could be a meteor coming, never know. But the key is, if we can look at our life a little differently and turn it, shift it, we can return back to calm. And that is the key. And just as a summary too, like calm isn't a destination. It is something that we practice every day, and that is how we can kind of make our lives feel better, to understand what's going on with our mind, what's going on with the world, to return back to that calm state. And just to practice one more thing, I want us to take a moment. Let's all take a little breath together. Just release it. And I want to thank you for coming with me today on this little journey that we've had, and to showing up here and to being aware of what meditation is and what the body is, and how being aware of ourselves is so important to then returning back to calm. And it's not about getting to that destination, it's the process. And if you know somebody who can also use this message, maybe send them the playlist, give them all the information that we've talked about, share with them, and let's find a way to be calm in our everyday. And just to give you more resources, check out my website, coma2comeback.com, coma2comeback.com. I do plan on writing, I have it written partially, kind of a book about different techniques I've used, what the medical profession has given me, and how to find calm within yourself, how to go through the medical industry to kind of feel more peaceful in your everyday, right? Remember that it's not a destination, it's a process. And let's get there together, right? coma2comeback.com. Check out the site. I do offer coaching, so let me know if you're interested in what you want to accomplish in your life, and let's get there together, because life is a journey. It's not a destination, and I know we can get there, and we could all be better together, one day at a time. So have a great day, and I will catch you later.